Curvature tool. Don't do like this. Selected the ellipse tool and create a circle and change it to outline. Keep this gradient, but change it to a radial gradient. Now click on the stroke panel and then on dashed line. And change the outline weight as per the requirement, and it's done. Trim artboard view. Simply go to view and click trim view, and you see the magic. Fix Stork Scaling. Draw a simple spiral shape. When I increase or decrease the line, depth will change. We will fix this. Select the spiral shape and double tap for the scale tool and tick mark. The scale corners and scale stroke effects. It's done. Draw inside the vector. You can draw anything inside the vector. The Adobe Illustrator have a simple trick. Click the simple tool and draw anything inside the text. You will get the magic. Join tool. Don't do it like this. You can select the joint tool from your toolbar and create a rough circle around the lines, and it's done. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe for more videos and tips.